Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to delete WhatsApp account. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, let's start. You all have to do is go to WhatsApp application in your mobile phone. Okay guys, here in your WhatsApp account, click the three dot on the upper right side on your screen and click settings. Okay guys, here in settings, click account. In account, you can see the delete my account. And okay guys, to delete your account on WhatsApp, you all have to do is click this. And okay guys, here, deleting your account will delete your account from WhatsApp, erase your message history, delete you from all of your WhatsApp group, and okay, to delete your account, confirm your country code and enter your phone number. Okay guys, after you enter the country code in your phone number, you all have to do is click delete my account button. And okay guys, we hate to see you leave. Tell us why you are deleting your account. So okay, you can select a reason here. You can click this. So okay, we have a option of why are you leave this WhatsApp account. So I select one. So I am deleting my account temporarily. So okay, and after that guys, why are you leaving temporarily? So okay, you can enter the reason. So I found another app. And okay, after that guys, you all have to do is click delete my account button. And okay guys, proceed to delete your account. Deleting your account is permanent. Your data cannot be recovered if you reactivate your WhatsApp account in the future. So okay guys, you all have to do is click delete my account button. Okay guys, deleting your WhatsApp account has been deleted. And okay guys, we have successfully deleted your WhatsApp account. And okay, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.